YZW Automatic Hydraulic Oil Press Machine, hemp oil. This video is an experiment of squeezing hemp. Let me take you to see the working process. Effect of this oil press. 1. Feedstock. 2. Master cylinder fast forward. 3. Press out oil. 4. Press the oil out at low pressure. 5. Press the oil out at mesolow pressure. 6. Press the oil out at medium pressure. 7. Press the oil out at high pressure. 8. Maintain and replenish pressure. 9. Maintain and replenish pressure. 10. Pressure ending, start discharging. 11. Discharge cake. 12. Ending discharge and reset mode. 13. Hemp cake. 14. Hemp oil.